Hey everyone. Okay, so we are doing an unboxing of Tim's new wheelchair scooter. So this is from, we wanted to watch a video straight from the get-go of unboxing it. So I want to show how normal people like us can, like, what does it take to do it. This is a, I'll put a link when we do the rest of the video. Okay, so let's see. You're supposed to be able to lift this into the car trunk. So let's see if this is even going to work for us, because there's no editing involved, none of that stuff. You need to be careful. You don't need to fall down. Okay, I'll hold up, you pull the box. Okay, it's really, really heavy. So, okay, hold on, let's put it back down. Okay, so we'll take it out the other way. It's taller than I thought it was. So let me see. So this is what it looks like. Can you see that? That's what it looks like. So, okay, so I will pull it out and then you take the box. Okay. Don't fall down. We don't need that on video. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna have to lift this. I'll move it back this way. I'm going to have to lift this into the trunk, but Tim is 6'2" and 300 pounds, so, but this is a Porto, in the description it'll say it, and then I'll put a link. So let's see what we get. But I wanted to show a true unboxing to see exactly what it takes to get to see what this does. We are not professionals. Is this the cover for it? Yeah. Oh, that's the cover for it, you guys. Cool. It comes with a cover. Awesome. All right, because we plan on this being Tim's primary mode of transportation when we're out shopping and about. So, yeah. Let me go around here. There is no editing. So, what you see is what you get. But this is our first, nobody in our family has one of these or any type of transportation, so we have no advice. We don't have any advice from anybody. So we just watched a YouTube video, and this is what it seemed like it would work for us. We still on the, and then we'll do another video with Tim riding it outside, because yeah, we'll see how that goes. Oh, and here is, so you get another part. Let's see. This is going to be, I think, your side pocket. So when you order with, I think it's called Porto. When you order with them, I ended up getting a deal, and they gave me 3 free items. One was a cup holder, and yeah, it's called Porto Mobility. And they gave us a side pocket, a cup holder, and something else. I can't remember. And you can buy accessories. This has a 2-inch foam. I guess there's a 4-inch, but everything is extra cost, right? So you will see. Okay, so this is all unwrapped. Everything's unwrapped, so it's supposed to just do that. Okay, and I think it clicked, right? Yeah, it sounded like it clicked. There's no instructions that I could see. Did you see any instructions?
I didn't look for it.
Yeah, I didn't see any instructions. Okay, so there's, oh, is this the back? Is this the back? Does it go like that, you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with it. Yeah, I mean, it seems right? Okay, yeah, was there any instructions? let me double check, you guys. So we got a seat cover. As I fall into the box, yep. Oh, maybe this has something. There was another little box.
Oh, there's a controller.
A controller?
Yeah.
This thing?
The thing below that.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's already plugged in, it looks like. It looks like it's ready just to go, you guys. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's see what this is. This might be your, oh, is this a battery? Oh. Oh, these are, yeah, but there's no instruction. So I guess it is as easy as 1, 2, 3, maybe? Yeah, because there's nothing. Okay.
Where's the controller?
Oh,
Yeah, the joystick.
the joystick. There's supposed to be a joystick, right? Oh, maybe in here? Oh, yeah, look at like an old-fashioned Atari. It's all, look at you. Okay, so does it just plug in? Is there, maybe there's instructions down there. I mean, I know, oh yeah, there is, look at you guys. It's in the bottom pocket. Yay! Oh, and there's some stuff. Okay, here, I'll have Tim look at that. And then it does come with parts. I think this is a seat belt. And it has little knobs and a wrench. Okay. Alright, so cold beans, we found that. Alright, so there's nothing else in there. No, nothing else in there, but that's a cool pocket, you guys. Can you see that? Let me see. Let me pull it back. There is a pocket right here, so you can store stuff, which is awesome. Okay, so they also have another, let me go backwards a little. Let's see. There is, do you see the step? They also have one, Tim's right deficit, so we chose the, what is it, a big pedal, what is that? I can't think of the word. Footrest. A footrest where you could get 2 individual ones if you needed, more like a standard wheelchair. I was going to say gynecologist's office, but that's my personality. So, but go ahead. What do we need to do? So we're doing this with you guys, that way you can see, because we would have appreciated a video that showed us normal everyday people putting this together. So that's why we're doing the video. Okay. What do you think? Let me unwrap everything, you guys, so that way we can see what's happening here. Okay, hold that for you. So Tim is a stroke survivor, 1 year and 5 months, and look at him. He's my Tim the Toolman Taylor. So. Is that trademark? Will we get in trouble? Oh, look at you. So this is great to have your person still figure out stuff. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Oh, look at, he turned it on. Okay, let's do that one last. Well, because we're going to take it outside, then we'll work on that one. But let's finish doing this. So this is your seatbelt, I would assume. Oh, wait, here's your directions. So let's see. This looks like, and that is Anvil. We have 3 bulldogs. And so that, yeah.
Batteries are put in.
The batteries are put in. Is this an extra battery?
That's a charger.
Oh, it's a charger, you guys. So it comes with the charger. Okay, so that can go back underneath then.
Yeah.
Okay, So that goes back underneath. That's the charger. Put it in this little pocket there. Oh, look at that fancy wheels. So it does come with a lot of accessories that you can buy separate, but we wanted just the basics until we could see what he's gonna need. So what is this one for? What is this stuff for? Okay, so you put the joystick together. When he takes it out for a ride, I will show you all of it. The wheels, the undercarriage, the joystick, yeah, and how he fits in it. So, yeah, so there'll be another video, you guys. But for us being nobodies, that was pretty easy. That was really easy.
Yeah,
that
was easy.
yeah, just take it out and it pops up open on its own. I believe you have to, in order to fold it up, you have to do something. I think it's this little red thing on the back. Almost, it's like a stroller, yeah. Okay, so let me see if you guys can see that or not. But there we go. So there's a little red knob here, so all you do is pull it down, and then it's supposed to fold up like that. It's gonna get some use in getting used to this. Okay, then you pull it up, and then you flip this over.
Stands up on its own.
And it stands up on its own. We did get a bumper cover for our car trunk, so we put the bumper cover over the edge, and then that way it hopefully won't scratch the car. So, but I do need to learn how to pick it up safely and correctly. That way I don't, you know, screw up my back. But I think I remember seeing them grab on this something and heft it. So that was like the only video I found of a foldable wheelchair was that, yeah, was how to grab it. So, yeah, okay, and then let's open it again. So maybe just put that down. That way it's already there. Oh, okay, and then snap. Yep, so cool. Yeah, so pretty cool, okay. And its wheels are super beefy, you guys. Like, it could go over, yeah, it could go over a curb. That's like fun times right there. So we're not doing that quite yet. But, okay, I think, well, if we figure out the seatbelt and everything else, we'll do another video because I'm sure that's pretty boring too. But, yeah, so far so good, you guys. Next video will be him riding it. All right, be back. Let me see. Let me say hi.